Yo, what's going on? I just picked up some more ammo. So, you know what I'm saying? We about to, you know what I'm saying, see what, you know what I'm saying, what I got. So let's start right here. So I got this right here at Nichols. Let me see. Box of that. $50 rounds. FMJ. Let's see. I got a re-up on this. Yeah, we got that. So we got them boys. Get them out the way. Okay. I had to cut open the boxes, but I don't even know what's in here. What's this? That's a box of minis, I think. It's hard to get them out, but there you go. I think it's like 10 in the box, 20 in the box. All right, so we got that. What's in here? More of them. Damn, shit came out of the box, man. Damn, you know what I'm saying? That's whack. You know what I'm saying? Slugs, you know. Damn, did they even give me all of them? I think it's supposed to be 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah. It just came in a messed up box and stuff. So we got 20 of these. All right, let's see what's in the next one. Okay, here we go. So, what's these? These is double out. Okay. Man, come on. Focus in. All right. We got 5 of those. I got these here. I was, paying $9 a box, but got them online for only $4.99. So I couldn't, pass up on that. Yep. So we got them. So we got the slugs. Open them up. 16. I only shoot the high brass in mine, and these here. None of that bird shot or low brass. Only the high stuff. All right, I believe it's what, 20 in the box, I think. Yeah. Come on, man. Yeah, I believe it's like 20 in the box. Man, what's going on? Damn, it don't even tell me. 20 in the box, I think. So I got 2 of these. There you go. And we got them. And then what's this? Because I don't remember. Oh, more 10 mil. Oh yeah, needed this. Yep. Okay. We got all that. Put all this in the box because I gotta go put it in my ammo cans. So I'll put these in the box. All right. I picked up this from Academy. Needed a little pocket knife. It was like $30, $40, I think. But yeah, I mean, I'm saying smooth little knife. All right. Let's see what else I got at the Academy. Box of cooler. $300. Gotta have that. I like the 120, but I like the sub. I mean, I'm saying supersonic. So anything under 150 is good. We got them two. Man, I didn't even know I got all this. Gotta have the hops because I was out. Let's see. What is this? Oh, no. Well, all of them came out, but back to this. Check it out. It was only like, I think it was like $13.99. So picked it up. I just hope it's the, same as these here. Meaning it runs out of my VR 80. Semi 12 gauge. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna try these out. And then I got one of these. Oh, yeah. Got the brass. But yep. That's all I picked up. So I hit y'all up on the next one. All right.